Take time to let your sunscreen absorb. I get also the most, and I'm not gonna buff too much. I'm taking my Wet n Wild powder. This one is closer to my skin tone, so it will tone down my BB cream a little bit because that one annoying. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, hi, my name is Raya and I hope that you'd stick around in my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below. Today I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial that is perfect for the summer weather here in the Philippines, and this is just a lazy quick makeup routine. So if you want to know how I do my lazy summer makeup, then just keep on watching. Sunscreen, sunscreen, sunscreen. I cannot stress that enough. Skincare is actually more important than makeup, so don't forget to put on your moisturizer and your SPF, because you need the extra protection against the harmful UV rays from the sun. Also, don't forget to put sunscreen on your neck because your neck needs a little bit of tender loving care too. Take time to let your sunscreen be absorbed by your skin, and after that, that's the time when you can put your base. So for this quick, easy, simple, lazy makeup routine, I don't want to go full on in the coverage, and I don't want a lot of makeup to be put on my skin, so I'm using a BB cream. Actually, this is from the newest Pond's BB Plus CC cream. So this is in the shade beige. I'm just taking a tiny bit of product on my hand and I'm dotting it all over my face. This doesn't have too much coverage in it. Actually, it's just like a tinted sunscreen. And this also has SPF in it. It has SPF 30 PA++. Don't rely too much on your BB creams or your foundation's SPF because frankly that is not enough. Your skin's requirement is a whole lot more. When you use your foundations, the SPF that is scattered in it are not enough to satisfy your everyday requirement of SPF. So I'm just using my fingers to blend this product onto my skin because this is just a lightweight product. It is aiming to even out the skin tone, and for days like this where it's so hot, I just want something to even out my complexion, and this is the perfect product for that. Beige is a little bit light on me, but we can correct that with bronzer later on. And it really is just like a usual moisturizer or a sunscreen but tinted, so that's why you can get away with using your fingers and it doesn't feel too greasy on the hands. You see this stuff right here? I think I'm forming a constellation of sorts with scabs. Do not ever pick on your pimples, guys. I cannot fathom why I did pick on my pimples, but what's done is done. So the best way to correct the situation is to conceal them so that it is not too visible. I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this one is on its last breath. It's dying. Also taking time to conceal my under eye area. Tapping the concealer, not trying to move it not trying to move it too much so that the coverage is still there but it's blended. So just tap 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 tap. Actually, with minimal makeup looks like this, it usually takes a lot of time because you have to be precise and detailed. This one is closer to my skin tone, so this will tone down the BB cream a little more. I'm not gonna buff too much. I'm just gonna stamp on the product. And now I'm gonna go my brows. I'm gonna use this Bold Brows from Everyday Love. And I'm just gonna use the precise tip because I'm not gonna fill in my entire brows. I'm just gonna do the sparse areas. However, the perk of this very hot weather is you have an excuse to bronze up to the makeup gods. So you can now go ham with your bronzer. So I'm just using an angled brush and I'm trying to bronze up the outer perimeter of my face just to give that sun-kissed effect again. Ta-da! It's back in the scene. My favorite subtle and radiant highlighter, Essence Pure Nude. And I'm gonna highlight first just because I want that glow to be a lit from within glow. I don't want it to be the focal point. I find that when you put highlighter first before your blush, it can really mesh well with the overall look. Then I'm pulling out my Kris Aquino X Ever Belena Lasting Love blush. This is a pretty nude blush. It's actually a neutral mauve. And I'm gonna smile. Place that on the apples of my cheeks. That fat part of my cheeks. The only fat part in my face. Because I'm so thin. And like what I always do to give a youthful blushing look, I connect it here on the center. And now I'm gonna go with my eyes. You know, I always love to do my eyeshadow even when it's an all-natural look. So I'm gonna take my fluffy blending brush as always, and I'm gonna dip into mulled wine. Put that first on my lid before spreading it towards my crease. And then I'm gonna use a mixture of cookie dough here and cheesecake. Smoke it out on my crease. So even though this look is very light, very minimal, you look like you put lots of effort on when really it's just, you know, a mixture of 3 eyeshadow shades. And that's it. One more step for the eyes. Where is that brush? Where is that brush? I'm gonna take a little bit of Enchanted. This is a very deep burgundy shade. And use that as faux eyeliner. Curling the lashes. Ow, that's my skin. Pulling out my new mascara. I got rid of my Hyper Curl Magnum Big Shot because it's all expired. And I actually did a review. My mascara matches the overall theme. Summer makeup. It's very summery. It's pastel. And I'm just putting layers of that on my upper lashes, leaving the lower lashes bare. Finally, we go to lipstick. And because I have a pink eye makeup going on, a subtle pink makeup, I'm gonna pull out my Maybelline Powder Mattes in Almond Pink and finish the look. Just spritz your setting spray or your facial mist and you're good to go. This is my quick and lazy summer makeup routine. I know, extra steps, I have eyeshadow on and stuff, but that is my usual preference. But all in all, I can do this makeup in under 15 minutes if I'm not talking too much. So yeah, I guess this is a fun way to incorporate color in your lazy summer makeup routine. And just a quick and easy makeup look that you can do every day. The important feature of this makeup look is to keep your skin very bare. So I guess that's the final makeup look. Now I'm ready to conquer the summer heat and be on my merry way to school. So thank you very much for watching. Before I let you go, I just want to say that put a smile on other people's faces. Don't be such a negative ball of energy. Thank you again for watching. Hope to see you on my next video. Don't miss my latest upload. And I shall go. See you soon. Bye.